Blending colors can sometimes be difficult, but if done right, can make a painting look more real. This video right here is to help you blend colors a little bit better. And there's two ways to do it. The first way is with 3 colors. Now, every color you mix turns into another color. So if you mix red and yellow, you'll get orange. I'll give you the first one. So on the first one, I would take red and I would put it down like this. I would clean my brush. I'll take orange and I'll put that orange right there, and I'll start to lightly rub it into the red, lightly, not too much. Then I'll take yellow and I'll rub that yellow slightly into the orange. Now you can see we have a gradient of color. We have red, orange, and now yellow. But there's a second way to do this. There's a quicker way to do this, and this is what some artists do. You take red, you put it down. You take yellow, you can clean your brush off or not, you put it down, and you mix in between, right? So now I mix the colors. Same thing, just a little bit different. With this, you'll have to work it in more. With this, you won't. I'm going to give a bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip when it comes to mixing colors. Sometimes you want to have a secondary brush that will help you blend. So this will be my wet brush and this will be my blend brush. So what I'll do is I'll take red and put it down like so. I'll take yellow, I won't clean my brush, and put it down like so. I'll put this brush down and I'll take my blend brush and I'll go in between ever so slightly and just mix the colors together. And you get the same result. We can do it here too. Just mix it and blend. So that's how you can blend your colors better for your paintings so that you get the best results possible. I hope this helps you on your journey of art. This is Forever.